Yeah, we're live. We're gonna see if anybody jumps in. We'll give them a minute. Bam! There's notification. Everybody got it. Where they at? There they are. I got the doggy dogs out here. Bullet, Dottie, they're out here running around. What up, trappers? We're out here. We are live. I got some things going on here in a little bit. Jonathan Sobek, he stopped by to say what's up. Give him a thumbs up. Give him a shout out. What's up, guys? We got the journey. There it is. He's out running around. It's bad weather. It's hard to keep white clean, guys. Don't be judgmental. This thing's cool. We love it. We're gonna keep it on the show. But Jonathan, he's out hanging out today. What's up, Jonathan? How you doing, man? Later on, we were thinking about going over to Wooks. You got time to go with us, or you got other stuff to do?
Oh, well, I gotta go fix my sister's car. She had a hit and run.
Ooh, his sister's car. Damn, he fixed his sister's car last summer. She wrecked it or something. What has she got? What kind of car is it? It's some little weird car, isn't it? Yeah, it's a Honda Fit. That's what it is. Yeah. They beat it to death. Like, I gotta see this car. He got a hit and run, so Johnson's gonna go work on a car. It's kind of a bummer, man. It's kind of a bummer, but check this out. You wanna check this out with us? I wanna show these guys a few things. This is what it's like in Amish country when, I'm just gonna show you guys. This is so bad. So we're gonna get this flipped around. We're gonna show you the TrapBlazer. I was out earlier, guys, and we went for a little trip out in the country, a little ride around. But I'm gonna show you what happens when you take a ride in the country with wheels like this on your vehicle. So I'm gonna get this flipped around. You guys gotta see this. Oh man, you gotta see it, Jonathan. You don't even know. Okay, this is the driver's side, and this is the side, you know, that faces the yellow line. Well, if there were a yellow line out there. And, you know, you see it. It's dirty. It's got stuff on it, you know. It's not too bad. It rained last night, I think, so it's got some water spots, you know. There's a little bit of... It's a horse crap, guys. It's a horse crap. That's what it is, man. Look at this. Okay, now wait for it. Wait for it.
I can smell it.
Oh, man, I know. It's so bad. I gotta wash it off. All right, you guys. Here it comes. You ready for it? Boom! Look at that, guys. Damn! Just coated. Oh man, it's so bad, guys. Look at this. It's like I hit the horse right in the ass or something, man. Look, and it's like boom. This is horse crap, guys. I'm telling you. Some of it might be a little bit of mud, but look, you see that grainy stuff? That's because they're eating grass all day. Man, look at this. Dottie, will you take them dogs in, man? I don't know what Z's barking at. I just want him to be good. Man, look at this, guys. Horse crap just coated up the side of the truck. You know this cannot be good. Look at this. Look, wait for it, guys. It gets better as we go this way. Look at this. Look. That's all horse crap on the side of the TrapBlazer. It's so bad. So bad. Look, all around the fenders. All around the fenders, guys. It's so bad. Look at this. Caked up in here. So, that's what it's like. Look at the mirror. Look at this. Even up on the mirror, man. Look at this. It's like we rode through the field, and I promise you this is not from a field, man. This is from a horse. Not funny. Oh, she says you don't know how to drive the truck. Come on now. Look at that, Jonathan. That's so bad. Oh, man, on the door handle everywhere. I'm glad it's on the passenger side.
And the back one.
Damn. Yeah, it's coated. Look, everywhere, guys. This is what happens in Amish country when your wheels stick out like that. It's only like an inch. I didn't even think it was going to be that bad. But guys, I deal with this all the time. I can't even tell you. But I never really show it. I never put it on the show. But today we coated it up, caked it up good. Look at this. Damn. I'm telling you, it's like I hit the horse in the ass as he was shitting. Look at this. Pow! And he was all over me. That's so bad. You ever do that to your truck, Jonathan? No?
Just bug guts.
Bug guts? Yeah, Jonathan's got the bug guts on this white, guys. Look at this. Bug guts. It's still not as bad as horse crap. I don't know. What's in bug guts? What do bugs eat? What are they full of? Blood? Because they bite everybody and every damn thing all the time. This, the Equinox is out here looking dirty, like the South. Oh, it's got hearts on this side, I think. One of the kids drew hearts on it. Since we're showing it mocked up, everything, we might as well. I don't know, can you see the hearts in it, guys?
Yeah.
This thing's like Chris's yellow neon. If it sees the car wash, it's because it drove past and seen something else sitting there. But anyway, guys, we got some more back here to show you. Let's see. Where's it at? Let's see if I can hang it up here somewhere. Here, Jonathan. Hold your finger up, man. Here, lay that right against you, man. So that way everybody can see it. This right here is for the Swagger King giveaway. I've wore it on the show. You guys have seen it. The back is signed. You want to flip it around, Jonathan? Showing the back side of this. Right there. It's not pretty. It's just signed. It lets you know where it came from, what it is. Try My Ride, Day One fans. This is for the giveaway on one of the top fans. That'll be coming up soon, guys. I'm going to be doing that. I'll just announce it, and you guys have to inbox me, give me the address. If you're local, you can come by, pick it up, and we'll find a spot to meet or something. I'll get you your shirt, but you can flip it around again. But it's definitely cool for you know, just some memorabilia from the show, things like that. So for all the people, top fans, like, share, all that stuff, like to get in the comments. Facebook, keep track of all that stuff. I don't even have to. It just shows me, it tells me in all my insights. So this will be the first one, guys. We're going to stop by later, probably in the next day or so. We're going to grab the next Swagger King giveaway shirt, and I'll be wearing that on the show a couple times. I'm going to get my coffee out of here, man. Dude, the first day I got this car, this Jag, we drove it from Ligonier, that's where I got it, and we went to Kimmel. I went over to, it was my brother's birthday, Kenny Klein, it was his birthday, it was May 11th, and we drove it from Ligonier to Kimmel to where he lives. I wanted to give him some money for Dottie. I still owed him some money on her, and it was his birthday. I wanted to wish him a happy birthday and show off his car or whatever. And we're in the inside, and I have my coffee in the cup holder, and that whole console lid, it slides forward and it covers the cup holder so you can close it. Well, I reached back to flip the armrest down. It's got the cup holders in the back seat just to show it off. Guess what I did? I slid that whole top piece forward, said boom, cut my cup. Like, it was a whole coffee. I think I got it in Ligonier, and it cut it like this deep, guys, across the whole top. Coffee everywhere in the inside of all that nice white interior, on the windshield, everywhere. I think it took me 2 weeks to finally get it all out of there, guys. But so yeah, I had it like 2 hours, put coffee all over the inside. So there's a little story about that. I'm gonna get around here in a few minutes. I know everybody was watching Wookie work on his box. He was taking the intake off. He's getting a new Edelbrock one on that he had painted. I know that he got to turn around and it's driving, he's running. So we're gonna go over and see what he's doing today. Maybe we can catch him home, catch him with the hood up on the box, and show you what he did, show you what he has going on. More of a final finished project. I'm gonna stand and talk to Jonathan for a few minutes and hang out, guys, but we'll see you in the next clip. Jonathan Sobeck, tell him, Journey Gang, Chevy Gang, tell him, keep on trapping. Alright, guys, we'll see you in the next clip.